Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into the future, the all-new 2026 Tesla Model X. Smarter, sleeker, and faster than ever. Tesla's flagship electric SUV just got a significant redesign. And trust us, this one is going to turn heads and challenge the entire electric vehicle industry once again. Let's start at the front. The 2026 Model X embodies a minimalist evolution of Tesla's DNA. Smoother curves, a lower nose, and a striking wide LED light bar stretching across the front fascia. The redesigned bumper integrates sharper air intakes for improved aerodynamics, while sleek matrix LED headlights give it a futuristic sci-fi look, especially with this deep red finish. The Tesla logo now illuminates, signaling that this SUV isn't just electric, it's iconic. Turning to the side, the Model X retains its athletic stance, but with a more coupe-like roofline that slopes slightly toward the rear. Tesla refined its proportions, increasing efficiency without sacrificing space. The flush door handles and sculpted panels allow air to glide effortlessly, contributing to a stunning 0.23 drag coefficient. New 21-inch Aero black wheels complete the sporty yet luxurious feel. From the rear, it's clean, modern Tesla. A continuous light bar stretches smoothly across the tailgate, with new pixel-style taillights that move when you lock or unlock the car. The lower diffuser has been redesigned for better airflow and a bolder look. And of course, the distinctive Model X badge sits proudly below the Tesla lettering. It's the perfect blend of minimalism and performance. Now, let's talk performance, and this is where Tesla shows its power. The 2026 Model X is powered by Tesla's new tri-motor Plaid Plus setup, delivering a whopping 1,200 horsepower and an estimated 0 to 60 mph acceleration of just 2.4 seconds. Its range? Up to 410 miles on a single charge, thanks to upgraded 4680 battery cells and improved thermal efficiency. Tesla's new adaptive torque vectoring gives you razor-sharp control, whether you're cruising down the highway or navigating sharp turns. Step inside and you'll immediately feel like you're on a spaceship. The dashboard is dominated by two digital displays, a large central touchscreen with Tesla's latest UI, and an angled secondary display for the passenger. The materials are premium: vegan leather, brushed aluminum accents, and customizable ambient lighting that reacts to your driving mode. The steering wheel has been refined for comfort, and the panoramic windshield offers a stunning view ahead. The infotainment system now features Tesla OS 2.0, faster, smoother, and with built-in AI assistance for navigation and energy management. And yes, rear passengers get their own entertainment screen, complete with game streaming and a wireless controller. The 2026 Tesla Model X is expected to start at $95,000 USD, while the top-of-the-line Plaid Plus version will reach $125,000 USD. Tesla is scheduled to open pre-orders in early 2026, with first deliveries expected in mid to late 2026, depending on your region. The 2026 Tesla Model X isn't just another electric SUV, it's a statement. Its futuristic design, stunning performance, and cutting-edge technology redefine luxury mobility. Whether you're a Tesla fan or simply enjoy cutting-edge technology, this car is hard to ignore. So, what do you think of the 2026 Model X? Has Tesla outdone itself yet again? Share your thoughts below. Hit the like button, and don't forget to subscribe for more futuristic car reviews right here on our channel.